Question 3 is 4 marks. This is a very nice question. The question says, a box contains only 9 red bricks, 43 blue bricks, and some yellow bricks. 7/20 of the bricks are yellow. Each brick weighs 35 grams. Work out the total weight of the yellow bricks. You can pause and try the question yourself. So what I will do here is the yellow are 7/20. So this part here is 7/20. That means this part here, these two together, they make 13/20. Right? Because 7/20 plus 13/20 will make 20/20, which is the whole. Now, let's add these two, the red and blue. So red plus blue makes 9 plus 43, which is 52. Now we know this 52 is 13/20. Let's write it like that. 13 over 20 is equal to 52 out of the total number of bricks, which we don't know. Now, to find the total, we know 13 times 4 is 52. You can use your calculator. Just do 52 divided by 13 on the calculator. It gives you 4. And then 20 times the same number, which is 4, gives you 80. Now the 80 is the total. Okay, how is this helping you? Now if we know the total is 80, then the 80 minus 52 will give you the yellow ones. So 80 minus 52 is 28. That's very good. That means there are 28 yellow bricks. Each one weighs 35. So to know the weight of the yellow is just going to be 28 times 35, because each brick weighs 35 grams. Now plug this in your calculator and you got the answer. So it's 28 times 35, and that's gave me 980 grams. That should be your final answer. That should be your 4 marks. How was this question? Was it easy? Now let's look at question 4.